Okay, so we're looking at a 2023 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Just want to show you where the hybrid battery cooling fan filters are located. So if we go to the second row, underneath the seat, this panel here is where the cooling fan filters are located. There's one here and there's one on the other side also. To get to them, we're going to remove this panel here. You can use a screwdriver or just use your nails and go ahead and pop it off like this. And this is the cooling fan filter. You want to keep these things pretty clean because they are important for keeping the hybrid system cool, okay? You notice that this one is pretty dirty. It's got a lot of dog hair or something in it. But what you do is take this clip, squeeze it, and then you can remove the filter. All right, so these filters, you can't clean them out. You can blow them out from this side with compressed air, or you can just buy new ones. I will have a link in the description box and in the comment box on some new ones that you just get on Amazon. And you just take this out real quick and just replace them. It's super duper easy. It's not very expensive. All right, they are necessary for your hybrid if you want to keep it in good shape. The last thing you want it to do is overheat. But yeah, there are two of them. I'm not going to show you the other side because it's exactly the same as this side. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button and support the channel. And I hope to see you again in another Toyota video.